So we are changing this. Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to like this video. Guys, today we have a 1965 Volvo PV544 Sport, the B20 motor. Same thing like the B18 block. So a lot of the parts are interchangeable actually. And today we are changing the voltage regulator on this bad boy. So here's the voltage regulator, guys. This is a brand new one. It's a Bosch voltage regulator. Comes with instructions and some extra bolts to use for the wires that go to the voltage regulator. Link in description below of where you can buy one for your PV. That's if you have not done a GM alternator conversion for your PV544. And this is all original, so it doesn't even have the conversion on it yet. So guys, here's the original old voltage regulator, and I think it's burnt out. That's why it's not working properly and not allowing the battery to charge, and hopefully this fixed our issue. But the point of this video today, guys, is to show you how to change one of these bad boys and put a new one on. Now, back in the day, they didn't have alternators. They had generators, and that's what your generator looks like, guys. What it does, it generates power to charge your battery. Now, alternators have a voltage regulator built in. Old cars didn't. They had it on the firewall, and that would regulate your voltage coming out of your generator, which is exactly like an alternator. So we're going to change that out, and hopefully that fixes our issue. And guys, I have a bonus clip at the end of this video. So at the end of this video, stay tuned, and it's totally unrelated, or it is related, but I'll tell you guys. Stay tuned to watch a bonus clip, basically. So guys, the very first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, at least one terminal. Okay guys, so next what you want to do is take a picture of this so you know exactly where all the wires were, and that way you don't get confused when putting it all back together. So the very next thing you do is, here's what you need. Next guys, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to unscrew all the 3 connections here, guys. Okay, be careful not to break any wires, and tuck them away basically. You can reuse these bolts, these screws if you want to. If not, the new ones are in the box actually. So let's go on. Next, it's time to take the voltage regulator off. I'm using a 7/16 with an extender, but that's how it is. Okay guys, so looks like this is the old voltage regulator. Not sure what exactly went bad, but it's old, so it's time to hit it up with the new one. Here's the new one, is right here, sitting just perfectly. Now let's go get this thing installed. And we got the new stuff here too. So guys, when you tighten this down, you don't want it too tight, but you want it tight enough, but just don't break the, don't break the bolt. Now, let's go ahead and put in the wires. So since the kit came with new screws and washers, we're gonna use the new ones instead of the old ones. Alright guys, so that's how the wiring looks like and how I put it back. I had to take this off because this is a little bit different than the original in order to screw it on properly. Now, we just connect our battery back. Okay guys, so when that's all completed, all I have to do is start the car to make sure it works. If you did it right, it should start right up. Well guys, the car runs, she runs. My voltmeter showing us charging, good 14.2 or something like that, healthy volts. And the amp light that would come on here when it's red, if it's not charging, would turn on. So right now everything is looking good. It's very good news. All right guys, thanks for watching. And quick bonus clip. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2064 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series. So guys, here's the bonus clip that I'm going to be talking about. As you can see, the car is charging. It was the voltage regulator. But how do you bench test a voltage regulator or a generator on an old car like that? There's going to be links in the description below for 2 of those videos: how to bench test a voltage regulator and how to bench test a generator. I didn't really bench test the generator. I took it off, I took it apart, and the brushes were good, all like brand new. I put it back in. I went online and I found a video of bench testing a voltage regulator. I went ahead and decided to test the voltage regulator. I ran a hot current or a main current onto one wire and the generator moved. That means my generator was working good and the wire to the voltage regulator was good. The only thing that could be it is either the generator is not charging properly or the voltage regulator is not working properly. And in this case, it probably is. So if you don't see any more of those videos of me changing anything on this car related to that, and like I want to say in a couple weeks, then it means everything works fine in the car. It was the voltage regulator, and I diagnosed it as the voltage regulator. If you see me changing the generator, well, we're back to square one on the problem. And therefore, guys, I'm Eddie V, signing off.